If you've never had Rasta pasta before, then you're in for a treat. It's creamy, cheesy, and perfectly spiced with jerk seasoning, and it comes together in just 30 minutes. Start by bringing a large pot of salted water to boil and cook your penne pasta according to the directions on the package. Drain and set aside. To a large pot, you're going to add about a tablespoon of oil over medium heat. Then you're going to add sliced bell peppers and onions and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. You want the vegetables to soften slightly while still keeping a little bit of crunch. Add the jerk seasoning and cook for about a minute or so. Next, you're going to pour in your chicken broth and you're also going to add heavy cream. Now give it all a good stir, and then you want to reduce that heat to low. You want everything to simmer until the sauce begins to thicken. And for this recipe, you need a little bit of Parmesan cheese, or maybe a whole lot. So I'm going to add in my Parmesan cheese. This is also going to help that sauce to thicken even more. Give that all a good mix just to make sure that that cheese is nicely incorporated and it doesn't clump. Then I am going to add in some salt and a little bit of ground pimento for even more flavor. And I'm just going to allow this to cook for a little bit longer, just until it thickens up a little bit. You don't want it to become too thick. Then I am going to add in the cooked pasta. And at this point, you're going to remove it from the heat because it's pretty much done. And now just give this all a mix just to make sure that every piece of pasta is coated with that delicious sauce. And while this is a vegetarian version, you can always add grilled chicken or shrimp to make it a complete meal. Serve it with a little bit of extra Parmesan cheese on top and some parsley for a hint of freshness. And as always, if you've enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and check for the recipe in the description box below. And I will see you guys in the next one.